Hello everyone, welcome to Carnivorous Plants Hub. Today I have a very brief unboxing for you here from California Carnivores. If you follow my channel, you probably know that I lost my alien that I got last year. I put it out in the sun a little bit too early for a little bit too long. It got sunburned really bad, and then shortly after that I had a bird attack it and kind of dig it up and knock it over, and I ended up losing it. It eventually kind of didn't make it. It didn't really recover from the bird attack. It was kind of recovering from the sunburn that I gave it. Some new shoots were starting to pop up, but then the bird attack, I think, broke some roots, and could never quite recover from that. So I went ahead and ordered another one here. So today we're unboxing the aliens. Let's go ahead and take a look here. This is just a one plant unboxing. It's probably going to be pretty quick, fairly short, but let's see what we got here. There we go. Check out that little beauty. This is absolutely one of my favorite Venus Flytrap cultivars. It's my little alien. And I haven't had a lot of luck with them over the last few years. I had one die a couple years ago, and then I just had this other one die last year. They tend to be a little more sensitive, and they're a little bit more tricky, so you have to give them a little bit special care compared to your other Venus Flytraps. So I'm going to be just a little more careful with this one. I'll probably give it a repot here pretty soon, just to get it in a bigger pot, just to lower the risk of any type of crown rot or anything like that. And then I'm going to make sure to really slowly acclimate this one to the sun, just to make sure that it doesn't get burned and get off to a bad start like I gave mine last year. But we'll also hopefully keep it away from any birds that try to attack it. But you can see there, I love the shape of these aliens that these Venus Flytraps have. It's one of my favorites. It really does look like an alien mouth. It's just really cool. Look at that. If that doesn't look like the mouth of an alien, I don't know what does. Really cool plant. I'm really excited to have another one. Hope I can give this one a little bit longer life. But it is kind of a cool thing just to know that, like, I do this a lot. I raise a lot of these plants and I lose them occasionally too. So if you're out there and you're a new grower and you've lost one, or maybe you have one that's not doing so hot, don't fret. We all lose Venus Flytraps. They can be tricky to grow. And even if you do everything perfect, sometimes you still can lose them. So don't be too hard on yourself if you've lost one. Go out and get another one. Give it another try, learn from your mistakes, do it a little bit better, and keep growing. So yeah, there's my alien. Thanks so much for checking this out. I told you it was going to be a quick one. Let's go ahead and call it a day, shall we? Hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.